Welcome everybody to the video talking about the details of making the Miwok application seems better and used better by the users. This version of the application shows the 4 categories of the words of Miwok language in the same screen by swiping of it left to right or right to left to switch off between these categories, and you will see that in the next video of executing the application on a tablet. Let's go to the details of my work of this application. The first thing is working on the designing details. This is the layout file of the main activity. We have to add a view pager that contains the pages, each page talking about a category words. This view pager contains these pages and provide the swiping behavior, and we need a tab layout to add headers to these pages as tabs viewed at the head of each page. This tab layout, this view, we need to compile a certain library which is support.design. We have to import it in the manifest file. After importing it, we can use it in our layout file. This tab layout holds the names of categories and views them in tabs at the head of the pages viewed in the main screen. Next, for each category we have to create a fragment file. A fragment file is almost a Java file like the activity. It's a class extending an abstract class named fragment instead of activity, and have a life cycle similar to the life cycle of the activity, with bit differences in the methods names. The using of this fragment is similar to the using of activity class. We have the same codes from the previous version, the same codes in the same positions. We have global variables, media player, and focus change listener of the audio, and overriding an onCreate method. But this method is related to the fragment and named onCreateView, and onStop method, but this public method where the activity was protected. But the entire of these methods is almost the same. After we have the fragments, the categories fragments, we have to create a simple fragment pager adapter. Surely you can use any name of it, but the idea is to extend the fragment pager adapter. This is an abstract class giving us the control of initializing the pages and getting the methods that holds the pages and switch between according to the user according to the user inputs. The main methods in this class that we have to override get item method that this method determines which page the application will show in the application. And the char sequence get page title, which have the correct title and showing it as a tab header, and get count method that determines the number of pages that the application have and can swipe between. Lastly, we have main activity class to find the view pager in the layout file, to use it, and setting up an adapter to it to handle the swiping between pages, and then connecting this adapter with the view pager, and lastly connecting the tab layout with this view pager to show the correct tab related to the viewed page in the main screen. See you in the next video that showing the executing of this application in a tablet. Thank you.